Stay still. She's drinking your blood. She's getting big, Patricia. That's Mrs. Philippa Tick.
Why is the baby red? Why am I feeling that? Because pop off the ball. Because red. Because I pop off a ball. Oh, there's no way. Ooh, 2 ways.
They have signposts that tell us what they're going to have where. If we turn, it takes us to the adventure trail. If we go straight, it takes us to the Wisner Loop. You want to do the adventure trail?
That's right.
Well, that's the adventure trail down there. So you want to do the Wisner Loop? Okay. You want to see the sign? It's all about Chinese tallow trees. They're native to China and Japan. They were originally introduced as an ornamental plant. The leaves are a bright green, and in the fall they turn into bright shades of yellows, oranges, and reds. They were brought here in the 1700s, and they now pose a serious threat by crowding out native species. And that's what their seeds look like.
Okay, I'm not going. Okay, that way. I think this is fall off the tree and just walk amazing. And this is not what?
So if we turn here, we're going to be going to the Overlook or Fire Pit A. If we go straight, we're going to be going to Wisner Loop.
Yep.
So
that way.
You want to go to the Overlook?
I like that way, and I never go that way.
This is Wisner Loop,
Okay,
which is probably just going to take us right back to where we started.
No, you're not. It's really long.
See the dragonflies? Beautiful beasties. Do you know what kind of spider that is?
No.
Black widow. Now these, let me show you something, Patricia. This right here is a pus caterpillar. They're very, very painful. They look cute and fuzzy. Don't touch it. And the buck moth caterpillar, that's really painful too.
This is a non-drill. Here, Mommy.
Thank you.
Okay, then. Oh, wait, this is my favorite show. This rain and this drive. This is my favorite show right here. So this is go.
In Hurricane Katrina, which was a long time before you were born, this was all destroyed. It was flooded, and so they had to rebuild. Here's some, look. Do you recognize the snake you saw in our backyard? Do any of these look like the snake you saw in our backyard? No. Okay. Because this is a rattlesnake.
That's scary.
That is a cottonmouth. Cottonmouth snakes are extremely dangerous. And I think that's what I saw in our front yard, go in the bushes.
Okay.
That's also a rattlesnake. This is a copperhead. That's a coral snake. And that's a diamondback rattlesnake.
What is this one?
I think that's probably the diamondback rattlesnake. But those are the venomous types of snakes that we have here in Louisiana. Venomous means poisonous, means it can kill you.
Oh, yeah.
What?
This is a big chair.
It's a big bench, huh?
Yeah. And in case the kids tired, legs tired, that's why you just sit down and comfort. This is hard. It's so peaceful.
It's very peaceful, isn't it? But it looks extremely different than it did when Sissy was little. Sissy used to love coming here.
Warm.
They had big, tall trees, but I guess they all were killed.
Yeah.
And this is Wisner Loop. So, this is the map. Basically, we just made a big circle, and this is where we started off at. You had enough of the walking trail? You tired already?
No, I want to go something else.
Is it too hot?
Yeah. No, I want to go walking.
Okay.